Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some deals at Dollar General that are good from October 6th through 12th. These are some of the best deals of the week, so you may want to incorporate them in your 5 off of 25 deal on Saturday. Don't forget, when you're shopping, you make sure you're scanning what you're buying with your Dollar General app just to make sure those coupons are going to attach when you get to the register. Also, don't forget to go through and clip all your new digital coupons. For this first deal, you want to buy 4 of the Cottonelle 6 big rolls. They're $4 a piece, but we have an instant savings of save $3 when you spend $15. Then you want the save $2 on the Cottonelle digital coupon, and from the 10/6 Smart Source, you want 2 of the save $1 on the Cottonelle. So your total is going to be $16. You have $3 in instant savings and $4 in coupons, leaving your total before tax $9. Now, this is something you might want to work into your 5 off of 25 deal on Saturday. But just remember, if you do use this deal in a 5 off of 25 breakdown, make sure your total is $28 because that $3 is going to fall off before the 5 off of 25. So you want to make sure you hit that $28 mark. For this deal, you want to pick up 2 of those 3 packs of Kleenex. They're $1 a piece. And the Save 2 on the Cottonelle is actually working at the moment on these, and it would make 2 of them free. But just make sure you scan it on your app before you buy it, just in case they stop it from working on it. This week, we have a instant savings deal on the Sparkle for the 6 family rolls or the 3 huge rolls. There is a $1 instant savings when you buy 2 packages. So you want to pick up 2 of the 6 family rolls of Sparkle paper towels, and those are $5 a piece. You want 2 of the Sparkle digital coupons. One is for $1.25 and the other is for $1. So your total will be $10. You have $1 in instant savings, $2.25 in coupons, for a total before tax of just $6.75. Now, instead of using the digitals, you could use 2 paper coupons from the 10/6 Retail Me Not, and those are for $1.25 off of each package, so your total would be $6.50 for 2. All right, for this next deal, you want to get 2 of the Quaker Rice Crisps. They're 3.3 ounce, and they're $1.50 each. This Save $2 Quaker Digital does work on these, and it ends up being $1 for 2 of them. And I know it works because I tried it earlier. You want to pick up 2 of the Quaker Instant Oatmeal 7-count packages for $1.95 a piece. And that digital Quaker coupon will work on these, making it just $1.90 for both boxes. The Purina Bella Adult Dry Dog Food 3-pound bag is $5.85. This week we got a digital for save $3 on any one 3-pound or larger bag of the Purina Bella, making your final cost just $2.85. The Gain Flings 12 to 14 count, the liquid fabric softener 48 load, the fabric softener sheets 105 count, the Fireworks 5.7 ounce, the liquid laundry detergent 19 to 25 load, or the powder 30 load is $3.95 this week. We got those 2 Gain digital coupons back. One is for the liquid laundry detergent, powder or flings, and the other is for the softener and the dryer sheets. So whichever one you use, your total will just be $1.95. For this deal, you want to get either the Bic Soleil, the Bic Comfort Hybrid 3, or the Bic Flex. Each are $6. And in the 10/6 Smart Source, we have a Save $3 coupon, making your final cost for whichever one you choose just $3. The Aleve Back in Muscle 24 count is $4.25. And we got another Aleve Digital for $3, leaving your final cost at just $1.25. All right, everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. Sorry I didn't have my Saturday morning haul video. I have just worked so much lately, and I had, well, I still do have a cold, so I was just run down. I did do some shopping, but I just didn't do a video. So hopefully now I am back on track and back to my regular schedule of videos. I want to thank you guys for all the nice comments in my last video telling me to get well and feel better. I have read them all. I just have not got a chance to respond, but I will be doing that in the next few days. So remember, scan your products, make sure the coupon matches, make sure you're scanning your receipts on Fetch, and if you don't have it, I'll link my referral code down below. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you all later this week with some 5 off of 25 breakdowns.